Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'll be doing cardio Tabata style today. 4 supersets, 2 exercises in each set, 3 rounds per exercise for 30 seconds each. I haven't included your warm-up, so make sure you do it on your own before starting the routine. And then let's get started. First one is squat jumps. Squat low and then jump high as you can. Make sure you are breathing and go at your own pace. Couple of seconds more and done. You can take a pause or start immediately with the mountain climbers. Take your push-up position and keep moving your legs. But make sure you are breathing. Go at your own pace. Couple of seconds more and done. That was round 1. We'll be starting with round 2 now. You can take a pause, but make sure you are never really relaxing. Keep moving your legs and then start it out. Squat and then jump high as you can. Keep breathing. Couple of seconds more and done. You can take a pause, but never really relaxing. Now start with the mountain climbers. Same thing, push-up position, moving your legs. Keep breathing. Couple of seconds more and done. We just have one more to go for this set to complete. Keep moving your legs. And start with the squat jumps. Squat and jump hard as you can. Make sure you are breathing and going at your own pace. Couple of seconds more and done. So we have just one more left in this set, which is mountain climbers. Let's start. Remember, go at your own pace and make sure you are breathing. Couple of seconds more and done. That completes superset 1. Now we'll be moving to superset 2. Alternating lunges. One leg forward, other leg back. Go at your own pace. Keep moving. Couple of seconds more. And done. You can take a pause if you want to. Recover and then start with the side swings. Swing left and right. Do as much as possible for you. Couple of seconds more and done. That was round 1. We'll be starting with round 2 now. Alternating lunges again. One leg back, one leg front. Keep breathing. Couple of seconds more. And done. Take a pause and recover. We'll be starting with the side swings again. And start. Remember, go at your own pace and keep breathing. Check your breath. It's very important, guys. Couple of seconds more. and done. That was round 2. We'll be starting with the third round now of alternating lunges. And start. Make sure your back is straight and you are breathing. You can take a pause in the middle also. Couple of seconds more. And done. Great. We just have one more in this superset. The side swings. Let's start. Switch your legs from side to side. Swing your legs from side to side. Keep going. Keep breathing. Couple of seconds more. And done. Amazing. That completes the second superset. We can take a water break now. We'll start with burpees. This is just a regular burpee. Jump high as you can and then go low and do the push-up position. Couple of seconds more. And done. You can take a pause if you want. And then start with the alternating runners. Switch foot after 3 times. Go as fast as you can. Keep breathing. Couple of seconds more. And done. Take a pause if you want, but keep moving your legs, recover, and then start the next round. Burpees. Just regular burpees, nothing fancy. Jump high as you can and then go low to the push-up position. Keep going. And we are done. We'll start with the next round of alternating runners. Recover as much as possible and then start it out. Remember 3 times each leg and then switch your legs. Keep going, keep breathing. Couple of seconds more. And done. Take pause but keep moving your legs, recover as much as possible. We'll start the next round of burpees. Regular burpees. Jump and go low. Keep breathing. Go at your own pace. We are almost done. And done. Take a pause, recover as much as possible. We'll start with the alternating runners. And start it out. 3 times each leg and then switch your legs. Keep moving. Couple of seconds. And done. Great, we are almost done with this workout. We just have one superset left and we'll be starting with high knees. Go as high as you can, go as fast as you can. But make sure you are breathing. Keep going, couple of seconds. And done. You can take a pause to recover. But keep your legs moving, don't rest completely. Now we'll be starting with sumo squat and then tapping our legs when we come up. Sumo squat and then tap both the feet. Couple of seconds more. And done. That was round 1. We'll be starting with round 2 now. Same thing. Recover as much as possible and start with the high knees. Go as fast as you can. Go as high as you can. Couple of seconds more. Keep going. And done. You can take a pause to recover. Keep moving the legs. Do not rest completely. Then start with the sumo squat and then tap both the feet. Squat and then tap. Go as fast as you can. Go as low as you can. Couple of seconds more. And done. We are almost done with this whole routine. We have just one round of each of these exercises. Recover completely and start it out. Go as fast as you can, but make sure you are breathing. Almost done and done. So this one is the last round. Squat taps and start. Go at your own pace. Squat and then tap both the feet. Couple of seconds more. And done. So that completes this whole routine. Make sure you do your cool down and stretch. I'll be seeing you next time. Take care. Bye.